Yeah, no one would want to sweep at this point. So far, though, our draft very similar to game number three.
Test.
Same picks. Is it going to be a Hayabusa and Farsa again for Falcons? Or going to... Oh, yep, this is going to be the same one.
Hello.
Will it change here for TLPH? The third pick. They steal the glue. Great response by Liquid.
That's a great response. Honestly, just going down to durability of Falcons, because that's the biggest problem of Mohem earlier. That glue is just,
Test.
hard to deal with. Especially if you have enemies in front line or the
Test.
Falcons have
Test. Test.
that
Test. 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 Tes, 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 satu dua tiga empat lima enam tujuh delapan, tes, 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 tes,
Oh,
tes,
that
tes,
defense
tes,
from
tes,
their
tes, tes,
side,
tes, tes, tes,
Shane,
tes,
that
tes,
came all the way from the
tes,
blue
tes,
side, not
tes,
also the Philippines
tes,
side. Just want to
tes,
say, thank you so much,
tes, 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 tes,
real
tes,
scout. Yeah,
tes, tes,
that's a real
tes,
scout.
tes, 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 tes,
So
tes, tes,
they have all very good. You also have a confidence
tes,
on
tes,
that. They have
tes,
a
tes,
good
tes,
Yeehaw.
tes, 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 tes. Hanzo, Hanzo, Hanzo Roam.
yeah,
Masa Hanzo Roam? Hanzo Gotland lah. Hanzo Gotland.
I would
Hanzo
kind of guess that
Gotland.
too. But then again,
Halo, halo,
maybe
halo,
they
halo,
want to
halo, halo,
make some
halo, halo,
moves
halo,
in the
halo, halo,
draft, and
halo.
they're fanning out their
Halo,
lane.
halo, halo, halo,
TLPH
halo,
will
halo,
take
halo,
it.
halo,
Oh, they
halo,
bought
halo,
the
halo,
lane.
halo, halo,
Whoa!
halo, 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 halo,
What?
halo.
Is that a challenge?
Oh hey, oh
Oh,
hey,
oh,
oh
no,
hey, oh hey.
this does not look good for Falcons right now.
Gas, 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 gas. 60 dB, kompresor,
Yep.
kompresor.
Yeah.
Kita jadiin 6 ya.
It's either gonna be a
6,
top
6,
or a
6, 6, 6.
Fredrin. I feel like is what we were also
6,
thinking
6,
about here.
6, 6, 6.
So yeah, they can
Tes,
go
tes,
tanky, put it all on
tes,
the
tes,
Granger
tes,
basket. That would be a great pick
tes,
for Team Liquid.
tes,
Falcons need to respond
tes,
instantly.
tes,
They gotta go tanky again, and I think
tes,
Storm
tes,
Marco
tes,
is something that
tes,
can move
tes,
really well while dealing
tes.
dishing out basic attacks
Basic
and
attack,
can also
basic
survive.
attack,
Ah,
basic attack,
That sounds
basic
like
attack,
fun.
basic
could
attack,
be enough
basic
for
attack,
damage. However, they
basic
bought the
attack,
Hayabusa Force as well.
basic
Could
attack.
be okay.
Maybe
Kimmy.
okay. Timmy.
All right, there we go. I like that.
Not with the
Alright.
physicality. Big swap out. And like you guys were on point with that one. It's the Alpha Jungle, the LPA.
Frightening early game. Team Liquid are
Ini skin apa,
on
Gus?
their Liquid Stampede
Skin Legend
identity.
kayaknya.
While for Falcons, they do have a Khalid with them in the roam.
Skin
Could
Legend.
potentially
Skin
set the
Legend.
tempo here. But this is not going to be as easy a game as game number three. Up in the air for me, this one. But JP guesses Matilda. That might be the X
Skin
Factor.
Legend. Skin Legend. Skin.
DNA,
Skin
and
Legend. Legend. Tes, tes,
the TLPH is bringing that bad
tes, tes,
flavor with it.
tes, tes.
Yeah, you have to look at
Oh,
the Falcons side.
wow,
Alpha
wow,
Jungle
wow,
might
wow,
be the difference maker here.
wow,
There's glue on the ground.
Has moved
tes,
up in
tes.
number 4. Falcons keep on
The
the
book.
ledge. Let's go.
Tes, 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 tes,
Unfavorite
tes,
players return to the
tes,
lineup.
tes, tes,
Very little stats we
tes,
have from
tes,
Jungle Alpha,
tes.
and now making its way into the playoffs. Welcome to game number four. Finally, Falcons on the board,
Jungle
but
Alpha, Gus.
far from equalizing. This is a clash of
Alpha
heroes.
Matilda.
Ian, is this the right time to bring out the Alpha again?
Yeah, if you pair it up, of course, with JP's Matilda, could be a viable option for TLPH, especially as we approach the 8-minute mark. Things could go well for TLPH up against Team Falcons.
Matilda sama siapa nih? Juxin yang kayak kita semalam, Gus. Masih kepake ya. Apa itu namanya? Khalid masih kepake. Patrick lawan Granger guys. Ini guys tutorial Patrick lawan Granger.
Especially in the early game. Don't let Super Marco scale up early on. Carl Teasy goes in with the ultimate. Paired up with Stanford.
Wah anjay nggak ada yang mati.
They got what they wanted.
Yeah, they were clearly forcing a fight there. Even a pickoff at most for Kyle Teasy, but he got his level 4, so I feel like that was a bit of a signal too for Team Liquid Philippines to maybe be a little more safe in terms of their next someone before that.
Apa kita pakai ini ya? Audio input capture.
Especially with the way they're controlling the map right now. Lots of zones from JP and Stanford. Free turtle for Carl Teasy. Let's see how Team Falcons will respond. What trades will they look for?
Wow, I feel like for now,
AP
they won't be getting any
test
still about to secure
test
resources
tes
by Team Liquid
tes.
were so worth it.
Suaranya kayak ada angin-anginnya gitu loh. Tes tes tes. Enggak
What
gemas.
witness in game number 2. So far, TLPH, Sanji and JP, their combo again is slowly working for them, giving a lot of space for OHEB. This is what Brigid is mentioning. Not just the Alpha will benefit from the Matilda, but also OHEB. Eventually, they'll stack up fast.
Yep. And a game that has OM losing a lot is a tough game to win for Liquid. And now it's clear. There's the troll. Feather strike.
Everyone jumping in. Kyle Teasy goes in with the
Tes
AD shadow kill.
tes tes.
Taken out.
Gas
Damage.
gas
So far, 3 minutes in.
gas
Supercut.
gas
They're allowing
gas
to do
gas
double lanes. You're
gas
looking to see this for Team Liquid Philippines.
gas
Probably
gas
faster
gas
for
gas gas gas.
establishing and carrying out the entire Liquid
Tes
Philippines
tes.
team is when they're able to gain
Ini apa ya?
full control
Desktop audio,
or
window
dominance in
capture,
terms of what we see
window
along the mid
capture,
and along the river side, which was something
spender, spender tuh apa artinya?
what happened.
We're on our way to
Tes
actually
tes
witnessing a brand new kind of Liquid
tes
style. They don't have to kill you.
tes 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 tes. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Without having to kill, they're just getting what they want and moving on.
Having a lot of information, not giving out good time. So far, game number 3, Kyle Teasy started out.
Kyle Teasy.
Came to a point before 8 minutes, he was 5-0-0 already.
Kyle Teasy lawan Kyle Teasy.
The damage from Ogwin forced out to use a raging sandstorm. Got caught out there by some Eagle of Sanji to be able to take him down. Kyle Teasy jumps in with a shadow ready with
Khalid ke counter ini ya,
Crimson Peak.
Matilda.
More than enough to save himself.
Fancy feet by Sanji. Didn't even need to use the flicker.
Yeah, and look at that. The first casualty we see in the game was actually just a punish.
Ter, nonton dulu live saya, Ter. Like dulu.
Went all alone.
Woi, cepet oi.
And now this could potentially be another free up for
Carl Teasy again. Uncontested turtle take. So now Team Falcons, they might
Like dulu, Ter.
their usual strategy.
Ini udah ada mic-nya ini, Ter. Udah bagus, Ter.
Eventually help him scale up. It's gonna be Flash and Ogwin to help them recover.
Even if that is the plan for
Nggak denger ya, Gus?
1,000 behind from OHEB, already on his way to become
Suara saya bagus, Gus. Sumpah. Di sini. Wah, seneng bener saya suara saya bagus. Tinggal muka aja ini, Gus. Gus. Tutupin dulu, Gus.
fundamental level, Falcons is playing the right way. They know how
A
to
right
step
way.
in. But again, it seems like Liquid is ready for this. Liquid is prepared to go slow, but
Go slow. Apa artinya go slow, Gus?
Already wins the race. They now converted one objective. A third take. If you're gonna look at the level gap between the jumpers, 2 level gap already. Even
2 level gap.
Stanford jumps in again. Beautiful stun on to Marco and to Kyle Teasy. Treating like his purple buff is a lord. There's a shadow of
2
Kyle
level
Teasy
gap,
being
2
able
level
to
gap, 2
stole
level gap,
it away.
2 level gap, 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 to 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 level gap. Nah, ini bagus nih. Wih. Ngapa? Ngapa? Udah lah, saya mandi dulu, Gus. Pegang ini, Gus. Malu saya, Gus. Harga diri gua.
Sehari. Ya udah dengerin suara kamu sendiri, Gus. Enak, Gus. Suaranya patah-patah. Sudah selesai.
Just for the spear of Alpha, they forced out the raging sandstorm. Now immediately transition to the middle lane to take it down. Immediately Shadow kills not.
Kalung apa itu?
Sanford latches on to Cloud Easy. Even if it's a back, they might be able to bring it down and face the kill off to Ohem. Target here, Dexter Roberts again.
Nah.
Those kills into objective.
You're starting to feel how TLC know that they're running out of time. They have to make things quick because Super Marco is one of those. He's one of those heroes
Belum.
that you will have a terrible time fighting up against if you do lose the lane.
Mandi.
Tadi ngomongin saya nggak mandi, makanya saya bilang belum.
Dia ngeliat sendiri, Pak.
Tahu Anda.
Kau jadi habis kemana kau? Ke warung apa itu? Yang di SG. Tadi berhenti.
And how did Kyle TV suddenly disappear like that? We barely see any kills. There were no snipers or stats, but he just got deleted with a Rhapsody. So
Ngapa ditempelin gitu?
what the heck Oleg is already.
Every
Jadi
single
tadi kau tempelin.
that they can see. Critically, Team Falcons have
Kabur lah. Aneh, orang maksimal tuh panjang.
Falcons just let it go.
Panjang kan
Just
nggak
commit to the
nafsu.
Suara
defense.
audionya nggak
Build
ada.
to defend. You have the high ground advantage. You have good firepower to do just that. 8K now ahead. Liquid, Philippines, and alone on OHEM. Alone, 3,000 over Super Marco.
Oh, berdua
And
doang,
tell
eh?
his mom, tell people online, he's got a lot of money.
He has money. We're not gonna believe whatever he said in the past
Walah,
anymore.
nggak apa-apa
It's
dia.
different now, and it's gonna be easier for Team Liquid Philippines to make use of the sword that they secured because they've already pretty much taken out some of the holy shields that are still intact.
Jangan
For them,
ditempelin.
they still have the one in mid, and they have Super Marco. You know how reliable the Bennett range that Idris Passion is gonna be when it comes to wave clear.
Yeah, but the thing is, TLPH dive-centric life.
Ya makan dulu lah kan.
The ultimate can come from the Beatrix, especially with the lead that they have. There goes the ultimate from Beatrix. Finally are the Lord.
Shield popped in mid, but Falcons take care of business. In comes Falcon, shadow kill.
That's the quality shadow kill to be able to clear out the minions, but immediately Flap Teasy got deleted. The cavalry expected the damage of the feathers airstrike, but they were able to pop all enemy shields.
Not even the backshot felt tanky enough. And now they're gonna transition to the mid lane. Oh, look at Sanji!
Even Sanji goes in with the Crimson Beacon to
Sayang.
zone out Team Falcons. Base now exposed. Super Marco able to clear it out. But
Mancho.
their minions onto the bottom lane. Oed gonna make sure to bring down the turret.
And down it goes. 2 lanes exposed. Falcons have to defend. If in the mid game it was
Media
dying out
capture
towards the
di mana?
late game, I don't know what the worst is over worst because that is what they're staring down. A 12K gold lead approaching.
Enggak.
Kecil banget ya.
Zone out to the size of TLPH.
I think at best
Dia lagi nge-live.
successful raging sandstorm
Mandi dia.
into a Bennett's rage for Super Marco and the third airstrike, but so far,
Lagi nge-live
Team
YouTube.
Liquid Philippines,
Lihat lagi
they're not
gitu.
allowing themselves to be put in such a position!
The lantern flare from Sanji was just too much. In an instantaneous burst there for TLPA, just an 11.5k gold
Ito
lead.
mandi.
I hate to say it, but we're throwing back to 2022, early 23. A slow-paced
Oh!
stampede.
Sanford again with the flicker in. They caught Kyle Teasy, feeds off the kill to OM. A double for the MVP. And match point for Team Liquid Philippines.
Precision macro put on display by the first seed of the regular season in season 15. Team Liquid Philippines one game away from going to the grand finals.
Such a carefully executed,
Lampunya
such a
kan biru
clean play,
bawahnya.
and
Jok
probably
tuh.
a different version indeed of the
Udah gak
entire
silau.
Liquid
Kan
Stampede.
kalau main baru ganti
I'm not
ke
comfortable with this. Redmar Rockhart, how they do that?
digulung.
That match point was first to swing. I mean, they figured out something very early on in that game, and they did not let.
Yeah, again, it was just a remix of the previous draft, except this time around, TLPA drafting on the red side,
Mati.
changing things up greatly. They went for the glue third pick, then Matilda Alpha last two picks. Now, when it's a lineup that has an assassin versus a lineup that's focused for the Viper utility jungle, then the assassin lineup is willing to give up the early turtles, the first two ones, because you're gonna try to get ganks elsewhere, get wins elsewhere, but Team Falcons just could not get that. Or if you are confident enough to play better than the opposing team, then you're gonna try to take it to them to the skirmishes. But the skirmishes that we saw that led to 0 kills for a long amount of time meant that this guy got the farm up so easily. This was textbook old school utility jungle playstyle by Team Liquid Philippines that meant that they fed into their carry, their gold laner, their regular season MVP to take control of this game quick.
1011 GPM. Definitely got money in the bank. And with 100% KP as well. Basically filling out the whole graph. He did everything that was necessary for TLPA to actually get in. And yes, you can confirm. He's got money. You
Yep.
can ask for it. You can ask for money.
He is the rich guy. I mean, not the BPI rich guy, but he probably will be. Okay, so for Falcons, now
Guys,
their
satu, satu.
lineup was again their
Ready.
choice. They decided to keep drafting the same way. It was Team Liquid Philippines setting the tempo in the second phase with
Test,
their
test,
blue
satu,
third pick.
satu.
There is a
Jump.
realm that they could have gotten this win,
test,
but it was
satu,
more
satu.
difficult to get there compared for Team
Test,
Liquid
test.
Philippines. Again, the reason why the utility fighter jungle playstyle dominated for so long is that it's paired up with a strong support roamer is because it's easier to pull off. The lineup that Falcons has compared to the lineup of Team Liquid Philippines is more difficult to pull off. And especially when it's empowered by a really good and strong EXP laner with great crowd control that breaks formations in the glue, then Team Liquid Philippines definitely had this in the bag at the end of the draft with the way that they played. Yeah, it was just way too tough for Falcons to control.
That's right. Despite the lineup for Falcons looking like it could give you a good fight at the very late game.
Yeah.
With that Matrix and Super Marco, we were not given an opportunity to actually witness that.
Yeah.
Bearing that is a 12-minute and 13-second game. So there was just no way for this lineup to shine. Few was the closest that we could get to see Falcons putting up a fight against TLPH. But then again, he was consistently getting dove on non-stop. Lantern flares over his head. It was just so hard to actually get things done by this Marsa.
Yeah, this was a fantastic game by Sanford, Carl Teasy, Sanji, and JP to set everything up for OHEV. The rotations of Team Liquid Philippines, really good. They were able to invade the jungle at the right amount of times. They weren't forcing things to happen because they knew naturally they had the easier lineup to pull off again, the deadlier lineup, because they literally, one ultimate from the Alpha changes the picture of a team fight for Team Falcons. Even though they have the counter in the Feathered Airstrike, that's pretty much it. Kal'Tezi can only do so much with the damage of his Shadow Kill, especially as you see, he did not even scratch 20,000 damage dealt in this game, only 18,327 because of the shields provided by the Matilda. And confirmed, he does have money.
Suaranya
He does have money.
1,011 GPM, crazy.
That's the highest GPM we have so far in the playoffs.
Yes,
The closest
yes.
was like 940 something
Yeah.
by King Kong. So this is absolute masterclass of how to use that Granger. Again, nerf to the ground as much as you want, but you know what? You can never nerf a player. He is the Filipino sniper.
Yeah, this is the great thing about the meta, honestly. In the post that I made before the playoffs, this meta right now rewards creativity and flexibility. This was one of the main conditions here for Team Liquid Philippines. Show your adaptability to survive, because this is the meta where assassins and fighters in the jungle equally thrive. Alright, so we're back in